How to turn off shorts on YouTube or disable YouTube shorts. First of all, you have to open YouTube application on your mobile device. Make sure to log into your YouTube account. So no matter which device you have been using, it's the same process in order to turn off shorts or disable YouTube shorts. As you can see the list of shorts here. So in order to turn off the shorts, simply you have to tap on three dots of the short and tap on not interested. You have to apply this same process for all the shorts for a while. As you can see that we have turned it off or made on not interested of this all the shorts. So let's refresh the page of YouTube for once. So when you refresh by doing that process, as you can see that we don't find the shorts option here. So that's how we can easily turn off shorts on YouTube or disable YouTube shorts. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.